Back. This is another video technical analysis for XPEV, Xpeng stock, and also Li Auto. So these are both Chinese electrical car makers, and we're going to take a look at daily chart. Okay, so but before we do that, one thing I want to mention once again, if you are Amazon user, please use my I just signed up for this affiliate thing, and if that will help my channel a lot. It's not going to change anything for you, but for me, I will be earning small commission from whatever you purchase. Doesn't matter what you purchase. If you could just save my link, I would really appreciate that. So it's going to be included in my description. Thank you. Let's move on from here. First, we're looking at Xpeng. So this is the yearly chart I was watching for this stock, and here are the levels I'm watching. So all-time high 74, right? And then this blue line on my chart represents downtrend. Okay, we got out of this downtrend very strongly. Look at it, 24 all the way to 44. Pretty much little less than 100% move in a short period of time, and now look what's going on here between 45 and $40 level. So whenever you see this kind of action, this for me indication of a top, unless this stock pretty much shakes out all this price action, gets above 45 and starts pushing higher till next resistance. When this happens right here, that means a lot of people nervous here, or a lot of people are taking profit, or pretty much getting who were trading this stock at higher levels, they're pretty much either cutting their loss because they got in right here at top, or a lot of people who got in at these lower levels, they're pretty much trimming their position into every single move here. Because look at this past action for the past half a month or so. It's been in a sideways move. This is a daily chart, and this 45 level has been very crucial resistance. It can't stay above it. So from here, $40 I'm watching as a support. Below 40, it has this $38 level as a support. This line right here, which was resistance at these levels, this is going to act as a support in my opinion. But if it slips below this 40, then that's not looking good, because until then, let's see what happens for the rest of July, because so far today stock is down 6% with all the rest EVs. And I want to also take a look at the moving averages for this name, and then option market. So if we take a look at the moving averages, the 50-day SMA, this yellow line right here at 35, so this could act as a support as well. But today this blue line stock is below its 20-day simple moving average. Okay, so one more thing is moving averages, except moving averages, the MACD, momentum indicator. What's going on with that? So if we take a look at the MACD, we had this bearish crossover back here when the stock was sitting at this level, but back pretty much 8 trading sessions back right here. Look at this. So pretty much right here, MACD was saying, okay, momentum is slowing down. So this is could be start of a downtrend. But look what stock did. Pretty much it tried to go higher, but now it's right back at that level, which is a very crucial level. So, but to me, MACD is saying that this is a sell signal. But again, this is not a recommendation for you to sell. This is just my technical analysis, and you have to dig a little bit more than that if you are bullish this name. All right. Option market, I just want to take a look at the overall put to call ratio, and that's it. And then we'll move on to Li Auto. So calls 57,000, puts 22,000. Not much going on. Very low volume, I want to say. So from here, we're going to take a look at Li Auto straight. Everything pretty much. We're looking at daily chart here, and if you take a look at this chart, look at this 37. This was resistance. Let me bring up this, let me zoom in a little bit more so we can see a little bit more. So look at this chart here, almost like a V type of V shape of recovery, I want to say. Look at this move, because it was pretty much straight shot up with tight pullbacks wasn't giving too much of a pullback, and hit this 37 almost resistance right here, and now pulling back. So from here, next level of support, this $30 level. Below 30, we have this $27 as a support, because it was resistance here, and those are the levels I'm watching. But if this stock is able to stay above this $33.30, then it is still, momentum is still to the upside, but we have to take a look at the MACD. What MACD is saying. Let's take a look at the MACD, and let's take a look at the option market. So if we take a look at the MACD, it is saying that momentum has slowed, and it is saying that it's pretty much sell signal right here, and it was triggered yesterday. But we'll see. It can move sideways from here sometime before coming down. But to me, it's a sell signal, especially after this much of a run up from $16 all the way to 37, 100% move up. I want to see what's going on with moving averages, because if this stock is trading above most of its moving averages, maybe even all of moving averages. So yellow line right here, 50-day SMA again. So this could act as a support, which is curling up. So it could pull back all the way till these $27 levels. So it's possible that moving averages is going to come back up here as well. And what's going on with options? So just again, for this one, we're not going to go through the strike prices. We'll just take a look at the volume. Volume is very low. 18,000 calls, 22,000 puts. So pretty much equal number of options, and it's not very active, okay? So I want to say very neutral to me, not looking bearish, not looking bullish, and volume is very low. So that's what's going on with those two Li Auto XPEV EV stocks. If you liked it, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.